So today we're going to be getting more familiar with how to use the computer of the wine cooler. First thing we want to do is light it up so we can see what we're looking at. The first chamber is designated by the blinking top light right up there. The second chamber has the blinking middle light, and the third chamber will have the blinking bottom light, and it has the exact temperatures on what is currently inside. Now to change the temperatures, we want to unlock the unit by holding up and down for 5 seconds. You'll hear it beep, and the lock button is gone. Now in order to make the adjustments to the chamber, you hold down the lamp button for 3 seconds, and then you will see which chamber you would want to make the adjustments to. First, second, and third, you do that by clicking the lamp button. So once you have the set temperature blinking, you go up to your desired temperature or down to your desired temperature. Switch to the next chamber, make your adjustments up, make your adjustments down. Switch to the third chamber, make your adjustments up, and make your adjustments down. Now you let this sit, and for about 2 seconds it will then tell you exactly what the temperature is inside the chamber currently. As it is changing to the third, it's going to 57.9, and on the first it will be at 56.9, making its adjustment.